I have my Ipsy original, and it's a hot mess. So if you want to see why, stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe just took the end out for me, so they're off getting a treat. And Dexter's hanging out waiting for Chloe. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, fun, fashion, all that kind of stuff. We go over a lot of details about products. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It is totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being part of our YouTube family. Okay. Adorable. This is soaking wet and it smells. So my guess is that a perfume in here leaked. It's soaking wet. All right, let's see. Oh, it's sticky too. Oh, this is just a mess all over. Okay, we'll go over what's in here. First, by Bella Pierre, is the Bella Precious 24 karat gold brightening vitamin C booster. It has 24 karat gold, vitamin C, and caffeine. I don't know what the 24 karat gold does, but I know vitamin C and caffeine are absolutely great. Vitamin C is going to brighten, and the caffeine is going to plump up. And this is 30 milliliters. So it's a good size sample. Oh, it's a $40 value for that. Holy bananas. Why would that be? Okay. It does have 4.4 stars on Ipsy's site. And so it looks like people pretty much really like this. Makes your skin feel soft. Love the way that it feels. See it working. Okay, so people generally like this product. I do like this brand. Bella Pierre is a cruelty-free brand and a pricey one. Now, maybe it isn't the perfume, or maybe it's two things that leaked in here. Nope, it's not the perfume. Next, by Dolce & Gabbana, we have the light blue perfume and Sicilian lemon, frangipani, and ambery woods. The olfactory family is floral and woody. You can see that this is just soaking wet, but it wasn't the perfume, which is what I thought because of the fragrance. Oh, was it the Bella Pierre maybe? Not my favorite. Little too woodsy for me. I was hoping I would like it better. It's not bad, but it's just not going to be a go-to for me. Oh, here's where it is. This is the, look at that, it's not even on. This is the Dr. Lily Fan Balance Cleanser. Gentle sugar base to lather away makeup, dirt, and oils for all skin. This is 30 milliliters, so it's a good size. It's a probiotic balance cleanser. And the sugar is going to exfoliate, but then it also adds in a toner to help really kind of cleanse and get rid of any excess dirt. I will let them know. I mean, this is empty because it's all over the bag. There's no way to take a picture of wet. I don't know. Next from Tatcha is the Melting Lip Balm. And this is in Pink Hue. It is a deluxe mini, 6 grams or 0.2 ounces. These are made in Japan. And it's lightweight and it's going to melt right on. It has a squalane base in that balm, so great skincare ingredients on the lips. And that squalane is going to give you long-lasting moisture. It also has a sheer tint, so it's going to look pink, but it's going to go on pretty much clear. It got 4.7 stars. That is big for Ipsy. I don't have any paper towels or anything to clean this off. I don't think I'm going to get this off easily. I mean, the bag is ruined. Products can be cleaned off, but As you can see, that goes down to a nice clear, just a hint of pink. And then last by Real Her, and the touch is what I chose, is the Every Shade Is You palette. It's a nice neutrals. The outside does have a little bit of soap on it, but the inside seems to be intact and protected. And that is a $45 value. Guys, I got 85 plus in this bag. Not a bad little haul. This did get 4 stars from the Ipsy community. It's long lasting. It stays on all day. One person said just average shades. Another person thought it was too warm or warm toned. But overall, people seem to be happy with it. I mean, it is a nice neutral palette. Most people do enjoy a neutral palette, even if it's just as their kind of everyday and not their fancy looks. There's nothing wrong with a neutral palette, right? It can go with everything and you can mix in other shades with it. The bag design is absolutely adorable. Love the sunglasses, love the stripes and the interior blue. There's a card in here, but it is soaking wet. Passport to Clay is the theme. Did go in over my products inside. All right, the bell up here is considered a travel size. But yeah, $40 for that. Wow. All right. Well, let me know your thoughts about the products. Overall, I like the products. I'm a little disappointed that the soap got all over everything, but I'll let Ipsy know and see if they send me another soap and maybe another bag, because this bag is kind of toast, which is too bad because it's absolutely adorable. All right, let me know in the comments down below. I don't even know if I want another one of those soaps because it's very strong. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know if it's the soap or the soap and the perfume mixed together. All right, but let me know in the comments down below, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.